Today's Friday, June 27th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVILLE specific in-dash climate controller. It is for my friend Al in Alabama. Okay, the unit has been completely disassembled. It is level 10 show quality restoration. Okay, this is the third video in a 3-video set showing the final and fully assembled embodiment. And we can see how the kinematic motion of the positioning slide lever for the different functions in front clicks in place in each of the locations and rotates the corresponding rotary manifold inside the unit, whereby redirect is achieved in order to redirect the volume of cold or hot air to the appropriate location, whether it's the defrost, the bi-level location, low, medium, and high, or the ventilators. Okay, so this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, June 27th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.